Guys, welcome back to my channel, and obviously as you could tell by the title, I am decorating my kitchen for Christmas. But before we get started, I have to clean this hot mess of a kitchen, of course. And also I would like to let you guys know this is a collaboration with Brittany from Oh Me Oh Mom, and she does motherhood, homeschool, and lifestyle type of videos. She also does lives every once in a while, which are so much fun and so entertaining. She's definitely a lady that you guys should definitely go check her out. She is amazing. So yeah, her link will be in the description box below. Please let her know I sent you. She will greatly appreciate it. She is so supporting and so genuine. I absolutely adore her. Okay, let's get started with this cleaning. Anyways, guys, I decided to keep this video separate from the rest of my apartment, mainly because it's a different theme, and it took me quite some time to figure out what theme I wanted to go with until I found my placemat for the floor. And obviously you guys will see it's going to be gingerbread theme. So, I mean, I thought it was a cute idea because it is the kitchen and that's where you bake and stuff. So gingerbread themed was something very interesting and something I have not done before. But as you guys will see along with this video, I did run out of decor, so I improvised a lot of things, and it was not so cluttered, which is fine because the kitchen I don't like as cluttered as the rest of my apartment. I mean, I'm not saying my apartment's cluttered, I'm just saying that my kitchen I need more space in, you know, to cook and clean and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to keep it really simple in my kitchen, and I absolutely love how it came out. So if you guys want to see how it does turn out, just keep on watching. So let's get started with the decorating. I got this Dollar Tree container for the cookies at Dollar Tree, which I just said, but these cookies are so delicious. These gingerbread men, they are from Publix. So if you guys have a Publix around you guys, definitely go get those cookies. They are delicious. So I only really decorated like fully in the corner of my countertop, and you just see me here trying to style this two-tier tray, which it was a little bit difficult for me because I've never actually decorated a two-tier tray before. So, I did what I had to do and I did what, But I didn't realize that those mugs were really big, so I had to figure out something, but don't worry, I got it. Look how cute this gingerbread. Oh, so adorable. So guys, I was really just wanted to do a gingerbread, area. However, I ended up doing like you guys will see like a hot cocoa bar area because I I don't know. I just was just like trying to figure out what I was really doing, but the gingerbread theme still came into play. And then hot cocoa theme, I guess you would say, right? But anyways, I took these marshmallows and stuffed them in this mug. Hopefully y'all I don't get no ants cuz these are real. I couldn't find any like fake marshmallows. I don't know why. But if you guys know where I could find fake marshmallows at, let me know because, I don't want no ants, no roaches up in this kitchen. You already know. But anyways, as you can see, I am having difficulties with trying to put stuff on this tier tray, mainly because I ran out of decor. This is where I ran out of all this decor I had. I realized I didn't have enough for this theme, but I had to improvise, and you guys will see how I improvise because I'm a hot mess. So I am back with this corner to try to figure out. I did not like how I decorated it. So I am going to actually redo it again because I don't know. I'm just a mess. So in order to fill up this tray, I put some, what are these? Candy cane circles thingies. I am drawing blanks, guys. I'm so sorry. But yeah, you guys will see here shortly that I will improvise to cover more space in this tier tray. So here you have it. I decided to take some marshmallow hot cocoa packets and just stuff it in the tier tray to make it more, I guess, more fuller in a way, and just added my gingerbread men and women everywhere because, and guys, I still think this came out pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to fill it up more, but I didn't have no more decor. But it's fine. There's always next year, right? So I hope you guys like how I decorated my kitchen. I know it's super simple, super, you know, not really plain, but it just gives it a nice little touch in the corner and it makes it more festive for Christmas. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, you know, do all that nice, good stuff people love to do up in the YouTube world. But anyways, please make sure to go check out Brittany's channel. Her link will be in the description box below. I promise you guys won't regret it. You will truly enjoy her videos as well as her lives, because I know I do. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.